Tired of getting flagged or banned when managing multiple online accounts? Say hello to AdsPower, the all-in-one multi-account browser that keeps every profile completely isolated and secure. Whether you're running e-commerce stores or managing multiple social media accounts, AdsPower makes it easy to handle everything safely from one dashboard. Plus, with the AdsPower referral program, you can earn commissions by sharing the platform with others, turning your network into a source of passive income. AdsPower is a powerful anti-detect browser that makes managing multiple accounts on platforms like Facebook, Amazon, Google, and TikTok safe and easy. With features like multi-account and batch profile management, multi-windows synchronization, RPA automation, local API integration, teamwork collaboration, and a cloud phone environment, it helps you stay organized and efficient. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, running a digital agency, managing e-commerce stores, or handling social media, AdsPower keeps your accounts secure and separate. It's also great for web scraping, traffic arbitrage, ticket scalping, crypto trading, betting, and SEO/SERP monitoring, giving you a smooth, worry-free experience across all your online tasks. AdsPower offers flexible pricing to fit teams of every size, free, professional, and business, so you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and upgrade as you grow. Billing is flexible with monthly or annual options, team invoicing, and secure payment processing. AdsPower also offers a rewarding referral program where you can earn up to 30% of your friends' subscription fees. Getting started is simple and only takes 4 steps. First, log into your AdsPower account and copy your unique referral code. Next, share this code with your friends and invite them to join AdsPower. Then, each time a friend subscribes using your code, you earn a commission. This program lets you earn by sharing AdsPower with others. To create your AdsPower account, simply click the link in the video description to sign up. The process is quick and easy. Just enter a valid email address, verify it with the code sent to your inbox, create a password, and click Sign Up. In just a few seconds, you'll have your AdsPower account ready to go. AdsPower has a user-friendly dashboard that lets you easily manage all your accounts, profiles, and settings in one place. To get started with creating a new profile in AdsPower, navigate to the New Profile section from your dashboard. Here, you can name your browser profile and choose from multiple browser types, including Chromium-based and Firefox-based options. You can also select your preferred operating system and version, such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS, to match your target environment. AdsPower lets you fully customize each profile's settings, like IP, time zone, and browser fingerprint, ensuring every session is unique and secure. This flexibility allows you to simulate real user environments and manage multiple accounts efficiently and safely. AdsPower's marketplace is a comprehensive hub that provides ready-to-use resources for a wide range of platforms, including Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and many others. It offers pre-configured browser profiles, automation scripts, and other tools designed to help users get started quickly without having to set up everything from scratch. Whether you're managing social media accounts, running marketing campaigns, or performing data collection tasks, the marketplace gives you access to optimized profiles and resources that save time and enhance efficiency. AdsPower provides a powerful API that allows you to integrate its features into your own workflows and automation systems. With the API, you can programmatically create, manage, and control browser profiles, automate tasks, and synchronize data across multiple accounts without manually using the dashboard. The API settings section in AdsPower lets you configure access and permissions, generate API keys, and set up endpoints for secure communication between your applications and AdsPower. In AdsPower, members refers to the users or team members who have access to your workspace or organization account. You can add, manage, and assign roles to members, controlling their permissions to ensure secure collaboration. This feature is especially useful for teams, agencies, or businesses that need multiple people to manage accounts, profiles, or automation tasks while maintaining oversight and security. Members can have different access levels, such as admin, editor, or viewer, depending on their responsibilities. In AdsPower, action logs record all account and team activities, including profile changes, logins, and automation tasks. They help monitor usage, ensure security, and provide transparency for managing multiple accounts efficiently. In AdsPower, global settings allow you to configure account-wide preferences that apply to all profiles and activities. This includes default browser types, IP settings, time zones, language, and security options, helping streamline management and maintain consistency across multiple accounts. AdsPower has received positive reviews from customers who praise its ease of use, reliable multi-account management, and powerful automation features. Users value its secure anti-detect technology and efficient dashboard for managing multiple accounts across platforms. Try it now and start managing all your accounts securely and efficiently. Sign up today and take full control of your online presence.